Hey folks, welcome to my walk around of my 2002 Land Rover Discovery. This Discovery has been equipped with a 5.3 liter GM LS based engine. The swap kit was from a company called Alternative Conversion Engineering, or ACE Engineering. You can find their whole spiel, full checklist, build parts and so forth over on their website. They have a really good breakdown, recommended parts and so forth. I am going to say, however, that their pricing, you you can do this swap for what they suggest, the price they suggest. That's possible, but you're going to be reusing a lot of used stuff. You're not going to be putting a new radiator and cooling system in it. There's going to be a lot of stuff that you're going to have to just make do. I decided to go a little bit different route. This vehicle, I'm building it to take it into very remote places. We're going to be exploring North America, possibly Central America, South America on the bucket list. So ease of maintenance, parts availability, and just don't build yourself a maintenance nightmare. These are all lessons that I've learned over the years. It's not the first engine swap that I've accomplished. I'm sure it won't be the last either. We'll do a quick rundown here, and then we'll start it up and I'll let you see it and hear it. So the GM LS power control module is mounted in the engine bay here. It runs on a standalone harness. The harness fuses and relays are all mounted right here together. There is a connection between the Land Rover ECM, which is inside on the firewall, and the GM computer here. ACE provides you with a conversion box, if you will, where certain inputs go into it from the GM computer and certain outputs go out of it to the Land Rover computer. This is necessary in order to use the Land Rover transmission in the swap. The transmission needs certain readings. It needs to know what the vehicle's speed is. It needs to know how much load the engine is under. There are a lot of different variables that it needs to know in order to know when to shift and how to shift. Because of this, we have to run both of the ECUs in parallel. The vehicle itself, she's in pretty good shape. It's 2002, so it's 22 years old this year. Far from perfect. We've got a lot of work we're going to do. I've got replacement plastic for the C-pillar here. You'll have to forgive me, it's raining here in Middle Tennessee. I know there's a lot of it being caught on the audio. But we're also going to be painting the roof. We're going to be doing a Raptor liner up there. And it's going to be the same color as the Land Rover is. That color, by the way, is Vienna green. Not so easy to tell in this light, really. But the previous owner siliconed the Alpine windows, which you can see here, as well as the rear quarter windows. We'll be stripping all that out, cleaning all that up. Also painted, or I think actually used, Flex Seal down here on the quarter panels. So we're going to fix that. Plans for this are going to be, we're going to come in here and cut off and remove this lower piece, and we're going to weld in a piece of steel so that whenever the rear of this vehicle drops off a ledge onto a rock, it doesn't wrinkle it from here plumb up to there. You see, these are aluminum. They're prone to damage, and I want to protect it as much as I can. See under here, frame is in very good condition. The sunroofs are also flex sealed in place. So we got to clean all that off. That one and this one here both. Why would you do that? Honestly, just fix the problem. Anyhow, we've got new replacement A-pillar covers. We are going to do a snorkel install here as well. I want to protect my new engine against water. And as you can tell, it rains. We got water here. Oh. 1996 Isuzu Trooper. Got a lot in store for that vehicle as well. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to do a walk around on that one. Let's go through the plans on it. Alright, let's start her up. Purrs like a kitten, and I'm not kidding. Hello, three amigos. Yep, they're there. Check engine light on. That check engine light is tied to the LS engine, the LS computer, and it's on right now because the mass airflow sensor is not hooked up. Looks like I got a airbag light on. And of course the three amigos, as mentioned. Should be getting my Nanocom here fairly soon. We'll get all that reset. But interior, I have replaced the entire interior on the vehicle. This was originally equipped with a tan interior, and well, it was destroyed. In really, really bad shape. So I found a Rover with this gray interior in a junkyard, and I swapped well, everything, to be completely honest with you. The headliner is still out of it. That'll get put back in after we paint the roof. They need to be able to pull the sunroofs out. Could do some upholstery work, you know. It's a project. There are a bunch of wheels in all these boxes here. Black steel wheels we're gonna put on it. So about this mass airflow sensor. This is the 5-wire GM mass airflow, and the engine harness I had was designed for a 3-wire. So we got this conversion harness. You can get these online just about anywhere. Amazon, eBay, what have you. But fair warning, check the wiring, okay? This harness, this conversion harness here, the positive power wire and the signal wire from the sensor were swapped. So when I plugged it up, I fed 12 volt positive to the signal, and it didn't like it. It cooked it. So, do yourself a favor, trust but verify, always. Over here we got, this is that's hot, radiator, warm. We got the radiator fluid expansion tank. This here is power steering reservoir. Not much going on in there. Watch your ears. Whistles pretty badly without the intake track being plugged up. Get you a shot of the audio of the exhaust. All right. All right, folks. This has been Jason with Discovery Overland. Just walk around on my 2002 Land Rover Discovery with the LS V8 swap. Just kind of hit the highlights. There's a lot more to it. I'll do a question and answer. You guys will leave some questions down in the comments. We've got a lot of work to do. There's going to be a lot more videos. Stay tuned for it. Make sure to subscribe, click the like button, and we'll see you next time.